If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Redmi 15, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. First of all, we're gonna go to settings, and over here let's choose mobile networks. Actually, hold on, before we go to mobile networks, we can go to more connectivity options, and we can make sure that airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, so of course you want to check if it's not enabled, because if it is, then you won't have access to mobile data. Now let's go to mobile networks. If you have two SIM cards, then you will see these options, default options. So which SIM cards should be used for specific thing. And in your case, if you have two SIM cards, you want to make sure that the correct SIM card is selected over here for data SIM. And so that you actually are using the proper SIM card that you intend to use. Besides that, of course, we can just quickly turn on and off mobile data. So of course, naturally in that case, we want to make sure that it is enabled. Other than that, you can also go to your SIM card and make sure that it is enabled, but this option I believe is only available if you have two SIM cards, so you should not be probably able to turn off your SIM card if you have just one in your smartphone. And if you have a 5G version of Redmi 15, then of course you can also try to make sure that you are using 5G connection. So if you go to preferred network type, over here you can make sure that the preferred 5G option is selected. Of course, that is if you changed it to LTE, for example, somewhere in the past, at some point, I mean. Now, that's technically all we can do in mobile network settings, but if these options didn't help at all, what you can also do is go to more connectivity options again. And this time we're gonna go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, you will have to reset all these three things together. You cannot separate it. If you have two SIM cards, then you can choose which SIM card you want to reset. So of course, you want to reset the one that you are trying to use for mobile data. And then press reset settings at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, remember to also reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, because they will be removed, and to your Bluetooth devices, because they also will be erased from the smartphone. And of course, we want to go back to mobile networks after that and check if everything is set up as it should be. So the mobile data should be enabled, data SIM should be set to the correct SIM card, and so on. And besides that, you can also simply restart your device. Sometimes a quick restart or reboot of the device helps. So if you don't know how to do that, you can simply press the power button and volume up button at the same time, like this. And then we're gonna swipe down over here to reboot. And once the reboot is done, there is a chance that you will fix the mobile your mobile data issue. And there is also one more chance, one more thing that can be the cause of your issues with mobile data, and that is the issues with the service provider itself. I mean, there can be some outages and similar stuff that can cause some problems with the mobile data usage. So essentially what I'm trying to say is you can, as a last thing, you can try to reach your service provider or carrier in order to try to find out if there are any issues with the service provider, with servers or something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.